Welcome back to Devices Setup channel again, and today we will learn how to reset Netgear Ex7300 Ac2200 Nighthawk X4 Wi-Fi mesh extender. That's a pretty long name. So you can reset this extender if in case it's not working or not connecting to the Wi-Fi. Also please note that after reset, you will have to set up the extender again. Now, in order to reset Netgear Ex7300 extender, first make sure your extender should be plugged into the wall and the power LED should be stable. Now grab a paperclip or anything pointed and put it inside the reset hole for around 10 seconds while the extender is still plugged into the wall. After 10 seconds, take the pin out and wait for another 2 minutes till the power LED on the extender gets stable again. Now you will be able to see the Netgear extender factory default name in your Wi-Fi list. It will come up as Netgear_EXT. You can now start the setup process of this extender. Watch our complete step-by-step guide on how to do it. Also be very cautious while setting up the extender, as you might land upon third-party websites during the setup and they can scam you for hundreds of dollars. Watch our video to save yourself from this Netgear extender scam. Moreover, we do also provide independent support for different gadgets like printers, routers, smart TVs, Roku, Alexa, extenders, etc. So if you need any technical help with any home appliance, then you can get in touch with our technician on our official website devicessetup.com. The link is given in the description. And if the video was useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, have a blessed day.